Hello, I'm John. Today I will talk about AE Global Link. AE Global Link is what you'd call a textbook scam. Although deceptively convincing at first, as soon as you start exploring the website further, you'll find several misleading data and missing crucial points. By that, we of course mean the regulations that AE Global Link doesn't seem to own. Is AE Global Link a scam? This company website provided no starting point for our research. The only hint about the actual broker's location was the language option on the site itself. Available languages were Chinese by default, and Japanese and English as two other options. The financial regulatory body in China is the Central Bank of China, and their website has thousands of companies they oversee listed on there. However, AE Global Link is not one of them. If bad things happen, where can you get the quick solution? If you have any problems with AE Global Link, you can contact the form on our website. You will get a free consultation and service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost fund.